Mobile property maintenance business, Gold Coast Hinterland, Queensland. Located in the sought-after Gold Coast Hinterland, this established business offers a fabulous lifestyle. With 5 to 10 new customer requests every week, there's huge potential to increase staff and services. This business offers a variety of property maintenance services, with over 50 regular clients, including body corporates. There is limited competition in the area, especially if the buyer adds pressure cleaning and exterior house cleaning. The business comes with extensive assets, including a signed written vehicle and trailer, and optional equipment. It is perfect as a standalone business, or could be added on to an existing operation.